The story that Ferrante has written feels quite urgent to our time because it spans, the post-Second World War chaos and desolation and the darkness of that, and then moves into all these different social movements that we've been through the decades, through the 50s, the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, coming into the 90s. What Elenu Ferrante has done is achieve something quite extraordinary. This concept of quiet feminism, where she tells an epic story that spans decades, but she really puts these two women in the center of the story and their friendship. Just the way she takes a female friendship and she uses that as the means to sort of unwrap the onion and tell us about the female experience through the decades. It's an extraordinary achievement, and there's something radical about it. It's quietly radical. Of course, the experience of the books is enormous, and to be able to create this in a single evening event in theatre is a very challenging thing. But theatre is a very unique medium in that it works metaphorically. You create images that can say things that go beyond words, and you can say so much in an image. Pages and pages of a book need to use to express. And so in this way, I'm hopeful that we are able to capture the sweep of the book through a kind of potency of image.